Welcome to another episode of Tinkerine Experiments. In this episode, we are going to post-process our prints where we used PLA to weld in the gaps and parts together. Before we proceed to sanding and painting the model, I want to add a bit of PLA to the bottom of this print. I sanded it a bit too much last time and now the bottom is a bit thin. So I would like to add some PLA back on. You can see right here where we can see the infill lines. So the bottom is a bit thin here. So let's start and add some PLA back on. Now that we have added the PLA back on, let's sand it down again. We'll also sand down these pieces as well where I use PLA to weld the parts together. I wonder if it will actually make it less sturdy and more prone to breaking. Interesting. I guess I was wrong. It is actually still really sturdy and it feels like one piece. Now let's spray paint them. Now that they are dry, let's take a closer look at them. The bottom of this print where I filled is pretty even now and it doesn't look like we can see the lines anymore where I added more PLA. The results actually look really good in my opinion. Next will be the smaller pieces. After spraying the pieces, they actually look like one single piece. They are also really sturdy. I just wanted to compare the one where we superglued. You can actually still see the gap between the two prints after we sprayed it. And when you compare the two parts, the one where we welded looks like one single piece, and in my opinion, it actually looks a lot better. Well, there we have it. We post-processed our prints that we use PLA to weld, and I would say the results came out pretty nice. They look like one single piece afterwards, and it doesn't even look like we added any PLA at all after painting it. Before I end, I just want to remind everyone about Tinkerine U. The platform has a lot of teaching resources like 3D printing courses, STEAM challenges, and CAD tutorials. So be sure to check it out. That's the end of our experiment. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you did not, then a thumbs down below. Remember to subscribe and comment on what experiments you would like to see in the future. Thank you for watching. Tinker out.